usueje ulitoa kipindi kile na kipindi kile ndio tulikuwa tunasema kwamba imekuangusha. Ile yenye ulituma nani tukiwa Kitale.
Hello beautiful family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending to the time you're gonna be watching this video. It's a beautiful Sunday evening. I'm here in Mbugambero village. I'm in a different location right now. I'm not in Nyabohanse. It's on Sunday, and after church we normally do fellowship. So today I'm here. Check out the environment, guys. Super green. You see Africa, how it is. We are on the road, as you can see. So this is how it is. I have my family right there. This is the wife to pastor and the kid. This one is the small kid is for the neighbor. So I just want to show you around, guys. You can see here in African, dogs just walk. You see, super nice. So I want you to experience nature. As you can see, you see how African it is. So thank you, guys. I just want to appreciate each and every one of you who have just subscribed to this channel. The other channel was they denied me the AdSense. I didn't access the AdSense, so I had to start a new channel, guys. And thank you for those ones who have just subscribed to this channel. I am very happy, guys. Thank you. Continue subscribing. Tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. I bring super amazing videos, guys. I bring farming videos. I do cooking videos. I show you nature, guys. And thank you. Let me show you. I'm in the river, as you can see, nature. Right now, I want to show you nature, guys. Here. Let me just show you nature. I'm a little bit confused. So the river is the other side. The other side. So I want my people to just introduce themselves here, madam. Say hi.
Hello, hi.
This is a teacher, guys. So you see the people I'm rolling with. She's a teacher.
Let's go.
And here we have Favor. Stop doing that. And you are a student. And she normally vlog my videos, like yesterday videos. She's the camera lady right there. So tell them hi.
Hi, guys.
Yes, and here is her mother.
Hello.
Mrs. Pastor right there.
Hello there.
So guys, I want to show you nature. I don't know.
Let me ask Mama Mchungaji.
Yes, ask.
I know this place very well.
Yeah.
How comes we have a bridge here?
Yeah, and
There's another. Oh, this river, how was it doing?
maybe the water was coming from this place earlier.
Yeah.
And then the water migrated. You know, sometimes water just force ways in. I don't know how to explain. So guys, we have napier grass. This is what we feed our cows with. This is napier grass.
Maybe water comes and floods here.
This is napier grass, guys, as you can see in plenty right there. This is nature. Yeah, so
You can see it comes from the other side, surely. Me, I didn't understand it.
so guys, you see water. Yeah,
That fish.
we have fish in here.
Just a vlog.
Where is it?
I saw something there.
Maybe it's a fish. You never know. You see nature, guys, and we have a very nice breeze here. Let us go the other side. You can see those thorns. You see, guys?
You photo me here.
Yes, photo.
You take a good smile.
So guys, we have to go here. I don't know if I can pass over here. Oh, we have a road right there. We have I thought I can pass here. It's a tiny road, but I will fall in. We go in there. No, here you're gonna fall. Let's go here. Madam, can we pass from the other side? In here. Inside. You wanna jump? Even me, I cannot jump. Let me just go. You know, shortcuts are always dangerous.
Me, I'm old, I can fall and it will beat.
Yeah. Guys, you see, Africans, we rear cows. Do we rear cows, or how do we call it? Rear, right?
Rearing of animals.
Yes, you see cows, guys. I don't know if it is gongaring people. I don't know if it's gonna hit me. Yeah. Yes, we keep. Or chickens are chickens net tunarea, and animals. I don't know, guys. You see how it is here? Very beautiful, guys. You see, Nizao hizi. Guys, you see these trees? You come here and plant and buy trees from here, and you go and transplant. Guys, I'm just showing. This is a nursery. This is a nursery for trees, guys. You see, very nice. I just want to show you quick tour. And we have vegetables. You see, this is managu. For those ones who know, very nutritious. We have very many trees here, guys. I don't know. I have not asked the owner, but let me just. I don't know if they will be. You see, these ones are very small. Very, very, very small. We have vegetables, kales. It is in the seed bed. I'm just showing you. This is not kale. This is spinach. Not spinach. This is kansira. Those ones who know, we have lots of trees here, and we have a lot of vegetables again. You see, more trees, guys, and fruits. You see, we have avocado tree. You see how we do it here, guys? You see, super nice. Flowers, you see? Wow, very nice. I'm just showing you different types of you know, I planted this type of fruit in my farm, but someone just chopped it off. I love this tree here. That one there. You see? Super nice. Yeah. We have more and more trees. You see, guys? This is the fruit I planted, and someone just chopped it off. So, guys, let me, you know, I'm in love of these trees. I really love nature. We have this one, this tree here. Yeah, we have cows here grazing. I just want to show you cows, guys. I just want you to see nature. This is a cow. Guys, I'm just showing you nature. Bear with me. Now we are heading in the river. You see, my friends are right there taking photos or pictures. guys, and I've not finished. And we came with that vehicle right there. It's one of our elder in church. On those, he has a school, so he owns a car, school bus. So that is how it is. You see lots of water, guys, as you can see. You see it comes from there this way. Yeah. I don't know if people are taking shower right there. People are taking shower. I can't. I thought it is empty. People are taking shower. I could have shown them here. We have a lot of. Guys, I'm in the river, as you can see. Very nice. You can hear the sound of water. Very cool. Yeah. So guys, I'm in the river. As you can see, this is nature. We have water and we have lot of stones in here, and here we collect water. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me just talk closer. Guys, I want to explain something. You see here, people wash clothes. We take shower in the river. One day I will just come and do a video of taking a shower in here. In front of me, I don't want to film because people are taking shower. They are naked. Mothers are washing clothes. So that one I'm not going to do. And you see lots of stones in front there. We have lot of trees around here. So nice. Thank you guys and stay tuned. Bye. One love. You see that tree? Very huge. People are washing, guys. You can hear the flow. So guys, we are leaving. As you can see, this is the river behind me with lots of trees.
Again, baby, I'm thought. Why? You are too big.
Too heavy. Guys, you see, we came with that vehicle, a school van. So you see stones, guys. Cypress tree, guys. You see, and our road is not tarmac. This is just Maram road. And this village is Mbugambero village, guys. Yes, it's very interior. And you see lots of tree. Those stones, right? No, the vehicle is waiting for us. I don't want to. No, let us just go. Here, nature, very. You see there in front, we have more stones, huge ones. Do people plant maize here really?
Yeah.
With these lots of stones?
Place where there are rocks, huh? It's very fertile.
Walai.
Sure.
Sasa kwa mawe.
We are very fertile.
Here is Maguti Church.
Oh my God.